back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I'm gonna be showing you how to make protein bars at home. Start by blending dates into paste. Add the dates to your blender with 3 tablespoons of water and pulse a few times until smooth. Once you have a semi-smooth consistency, set the paste aside. Bring almond seeds into a resealable bag. Seal the mouth of the bag properly. Using a rolling pin, crush the seeds into semi-small pieces, but be careful not to turn them into powder. Add old-fashioned rolled oats to a non-stick pan. Begin to toast these over medium heat. Stir and cook the oats for 5 minutes or until they are crisp. When you're done, pour them out into a dish to cool down completely. Place the same pan back on heat. Add all the crushed almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chopped apricots, and cranberries. Toast these for 7 minutes or until they start to pop. Once you notice a slightly golden color, add your sunflower seeds towards the end and toast for a couple of minutes. When all the seeds are slightly golden brown and they start to smell nutty, remove the pan from heat and leave the seeds to cool down completely so you can handle it. Now pour all the seeds mixture into a large mixing bowl together with the toasted oats. Also bring in the date paste and add 1 cup of peanut butter. The peanut butter serves as a binder that holds everything together. Also add a sweetener of your choice. For me, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of pure honey. Add a little bit of salt to help blend the taste. And if you like some flavor in your protein bars, you can add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything with your hands until well combined. You can then transfer it to your prepared pan lined with a parchment paper. Shape this into a block while leveling the top with a cup. You want to make sure to press it really firmly down so that when you cut into it, it will still hold its shape and not fall apart. Go ahead and cover the top with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for about 2 to 4 hours. It's now time to check our protein bar. So this is well set and it's well compressed. You can carefully cut into pieces as desired and enjoy at any time of the day. And that was how easy it is to make homemade protein bars with little effort. This could not be easier to make and are much more affordable than what you get from the store. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted. Until next time guys, have a wonderful day. Bye!